Hi, this is Andrew with Kalashnikov USA, and we're here today to show you how to properly install your 10-round magazine extension for your 30-round KP9 magazine. So first, we're going to start with removing the base plate from your magazine. Taking a tool, depressing the lock plate, moving it out of the way. Take off your base plate, put it aside, you won't be needing it anymore. Then we're going to remove our lock plate and spring from the magazine. We're also going to remove our follower. You're going to take the follower in your fingers and you're going to compress it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your follower, reinsert it back into the magazine. Take your spring and your lock plate and reinsert that back into the magazine as well. Take your logoed section of the magazine extension and place it over the bottom lip of the magazine here. Take the lock plate and compress the spring, fitting the lock plate into the bottom of the magazine extension. Take the other half of your magazine extension, place it over the other side lip of the magazine, and compress until you close the seam as symmetrically as possible. Take your 3 screws, place them in their holes, and then begin to start the screws so that they engage with the threads, but only where they just begin to engage. Do not tighten them down. Make sure to keep light thumb pressure on the body of the 2 halves while you do this. Now that all 3 of the screws are engaged, you can tighten them down . Once the screws are all the way tightened down, then take your tool and tighten 1/4 turn from where they currently sit. And there you have it. 10 more rounds for your KP9 magazine. Have fun and happy shooting.